Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change Omegle Country on phone. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So for this you just need to open Omegle and just click on website. You can see the website is opening and just click on it. Just open the website on desktop mode. So you can do it better way in comparison to the mobile option here. So firstly we just switch to desktop side. Simply clicking the option here desktop side, we will click on it, and now this is a desktop website you can see, and we will just zoom on the top right corner of the chatting page. After here you can see there are select language option. Here you can just select language and just change the country from this option, and also you can use VPN. So this is the way how you can change Omegle Country on phone. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.